birthday, everyone, and good luck to me. Okay guys, today is May 10, 2024. $200. I'm going to start on this one. We'll see if I can win something. So your card up there. We'll see if I can win. What is that? $4 bet. 10 cents denomination. $4 bet. So we'll see. $4. Come on. Come on, baby. $15. Come on, baby. I need red spin. There you go. Come on, baby. 5 times. Come on, letter Y. Come on, letter Y again. Oh, lucky 7. It's stuck on lucky 7. I'm back up a little bit. Come on. $10 for steep ladder. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Letter Y. Letter Y again. Come on. Come on, Bingo Bunny. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Up. Stop in Bingo Bunny. I'm back to $20 loss. Come on, baby. There you go, come on. Open B. Come on, baby, letter Y. Come on, letter Y again. Come on, letter Y again. Come on, baby. Cross corners. It's stuck on the cross corners. I'm back to what I started. I started with $200, so which is good. It will keep me going. So we'll see if I can hit something. Come on, baby. Corners. Eyes. Inside corners. Come on, baby. Letter Y. Come on. Come on. Letter Y again. 5 times. Come on, Valentine's, 10 times. Come on, baby. Come on, letter Y again. Oh, come on, letter Y again. Oh, come on, cross corners. Oh, letter Y. Oh, come on, X. Oh, hot dog. Come on, baby. Inside corners. Ooh, Valentine's. Ooh, X. Come on. It's stuck on X. On the last pattern, X is 225. Look at that. I want that. That's kind of red screen I want. But suddenly I only paid $4. So it was good one, guys, you know. I like it. Well, I wish I bet like $40. Should be a big jackpot. But I can only afford $4 right now. So we'll see how much. Oh, look at that. On that red screen, it gave me 485. So I started with 200 and I got this 632. So I kind of playing smart at this time. So started with 200 and I got that, and which is not bad. Have to keep it going a little bit and maybe cash out with 600, and that's 400 profit right there. Come on, baby. keep going. As long as paying, I will keep going. Well, you know what guys? I have to play smart. I have to cast this out. 400, 200 in, 600 out. So I'm sorry guys, I won't let this money loss. This is my electric bills money. So there you go, you see that guys? 200 in, 601 out. So a little bit win right there. Thank you guys. And this is the Sering 77 and over here in smoking area, high limit by the bar area. So thank you.